Are you a busy college student and need a recipe that is quick, healthy, and simple to make? If yes, this nutritious tomato, egg, and tofu stir-fry recipe is perfect for you, and it can be part of a balanced plate. A balanced plate consists of 50% fruits and vegetables, 25% of protein, and 25% of grains and starches on a single plate. Follow this visual tool to ensure your meals are nutritionally balanced. This recipe is a total cost of $6. Step 1. Wash and prep ingredients. Step 2. Add 1 tablespoon of oil into a medium pan. When the pan is fully heated, fry the tofu until golden over medium heat. Pour in soy sauce once golden. Step 3. Mix in tomatoes and let simmer for 5 minutes. Step 4. In the meantime, crack 2 eggs into a bowl and beat together. After 5 minutes of simmering, add in beaten eggs and sprinkle minced garlic. Let everything simmer for another 3 minutes over low heat. Step 6. Add salt and pepper to taste. Serve the stir-fry with more of your favorite vegetables and a whole grain, like brown rice or quinoa. Remember, a balanced plate consists of 50% fruits and vegetables, 25% of protein, and 25% of grains and starches on a single plate. Now, you can compose your own nutritionally balanced meal. Check out the UHS Nutrition Resource page to learn how to make more easy and delicious recipes. In addition to learning about other campus food and nutrition-related resources available, from learning how to eat on a budget to developing your healthy habits, there are drop-in nutrition counseling services opened as well, where you can get your general nutrition concerns answered by a registered dietitian. Please fill out the short survey attached below to share your thoughts about this video. Thank you.